Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, you know, I've always got 4 or 5 projects going on at one time. And one of the things that I have going is a tool rack for the truck. And in the meantime, I got this Nibbler. And you know, it's supposed to cut up to 62 thousandths thick stock, 16th inch. And the wall in that tubing is less than that. So, I'm going to try cutting it, see what happens. This is a scrap piece that I skinned off the side of one of the tubes, so I'm not losing anything. Oh yeah. This Nibbler just jumped up to a whole new bunch of options. It cuts this thin stuff really good. But it also cuts this tubing. No problem at all. And again, no sharp edges. That is one of the coolest parts of the whole thing. Is it doesn't leave sharp edges, no burrs. So when I go to making the rack for the truck, I can use this to cut and shape this stuff. Now the little fish hooks, yeah, they're still there. They're not as sharp and pointy, but they're nothing that I'd want to monkey with. I think you could probably use them for staples. Yep, it works. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.